Welcome back to It's Fine Garage. Today we're not going to work on the project on the lift because, well, it's Memorial Day, so let's not do any kind of work. How's that sound? Sounds like fun to me. I drove a big truck today and I got something special to do to it, so stick around for that. Hopefully I can get it finished and get this video out today. I doubt it, but see what we can do, huh? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so we're gonna go out here. Just choking on my drink. Go ahead and pull this tailgate off here. Gotta fix the handle. I gotta do a little bit of work to it, so set you up over here where you can get rained on. Does that sound like fun to you guys? I have to use those, huh? Let's get out of the rain, huh? There it is. So, I'll run back out to the truck. So here's what we're doing today. Didn't get that put on. I've had it for quite a while. I just never got her put on. So let's see if I can get this tailgate stripped down. I'm gonna take this off and that. Take this off and throw it away. So get her all stripped down and get her ready for the wrap and go from there, I suppose. Is that a good angle? Probably not, huh? This is a good angle over here. Alright, so I got these emblems cleaned off. They were a pain in the butt, of course. A couple of little dents there that are fine. Also got a little bit of sticky, but it's also fine. It's getting a different emblem anyway. I also gave it a quick wipe down. I gotta go through and wipe her down with some... I usually wipe it with this stuff here. Nope, not that stuff. This stuff. I think this is a good stuff. I don't have any idea. So either you use that or acetone, just to make sure I get all the bad stuff off of it. So I'm gonna go through and make sure I got everything cleaned off that I want, and I'm gonna test fit this to make sure I can get it all on there, because that might be way too big. So I don't know. Anyway, get back into them time lapses, you know. Time lapse! Alright, so we're pretty close here. You can see I got new emblems. They say XLT on the bottom. I know you can't see that. Well, there you kind of can. Anyway, doesn't match the truck nice. Put that emblem back on there, but I think it's turning out pretty great. What do you think, huh? Put that brand new handle in there, because I got a new handle. Can't open it. I can't figure out how it works. Anyway, that was on eBay for like 13 bucks. So I'll get that handle put in there, and I'll get that top put back on, get everything greased up since it doesn't open that great. Get her put back on the truck. So we'll just do some more time lapsing, I guess. Anyway. Time lapse! Alright, we're gonna go out here and see if we can put this thing together. Need a hammer too. There's the hammer. Whoops. Alright. Cold out today and it sucks. I don't even know where to put you. I'll just put you here. How's that sound? So for straightening these out, I like to hammer them or pliers. Make this thing taller, huh? There it is. I like it. Turned out pretty good. That tailgate handle 6.5. It's just a terrible tailgate. Anyway. Just want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Also, probably next video out, not even probably, it'll be on that truck. And it definitely doesn't look like that when we start. So appreciate you guys. See you next time.